Welcome. Let's make muffins. Ingredients: sift the flour into a mixing bowl. Then, go on to add the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Give these a good mix. In a separate mixing bowl, crack your eggs. Then, add your vegetable oil. Also add your milk and vanilla extract. Lastly, go ahead to add your sugar. Whisk these properly until an even mixture is formed. Add the dry mix to the liquid mix and gently combine. Don't forget to add in your mixed berries. Go ahead to transfer the batter into the lined muffin pans. Then, bake in preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out clean. Allow to cool. Serve and enjoy.